Getting your first 100 subscribers is easier than you think, but nobody is telling you the real way to do it. Most new YouTubers do the same thing wrong. They upload and just wait for subscribers to come. But subscribers don't come from waiting. They come from doing these specific things. I'm going to show you exactly what works in 2026. These are tips nobody in your niche is talking about. So watch till the end or you'll miss the best one. Let's get into it. Tip 1. Optimize your About section like a sales page. Most YouTubers write 2 sentences and leave it blank. Tell them exactly who you help and why they should subscribe. Tip 2. Pin a comment on every single video. Say something like subscribe for weekly YouTube tips. This is the first thing every viewer sees. Tip 3. Reply to every comment within 30 minutes. This tells YouTube your video has active engagement and starts pushing your video to more people. Tip 4. Comment on bigger channels in your niche. Leave genuinely helpful comments, not just great video. People will click your profile and find your channel. Tip 5. Use your end screen in every single video. Add a subscribe button and your best video there. Most people skip this and lose hundreds of subscribers. Tip 6. Post a community post immediately after uploading. Tell your audience a new video just dropped. This drives early views, which boosts your algorithm ranking. Tip 7. Your channel name must include your niche keyword. YouTube uses your channel name to categorize your content. The right name helps YouTube find your perfect audience. Tip 8. Add chapters to every single video. Chapters make your video searchable inside YouTube. People can jump to exactly what they need. This increases watch time and satisfaction signals. Tip 9. Share every video on Pinterest immediately. Pinterest drives free external traffic straight to your video and external traffic signals to YouTube that people want your content. Tip 10. Never delete a video no matter how bad it performs. Every video builds your channel history and SEO authority. So here's your action plan starting today. First, set up your channel keywords and About section today. Second, pin a subscribe comment on every video right now. Third, go comment on 3 big channels in your niche today. Fourth, add end screens and chapters to every video. Fifth, share every video on Pinterest the same day. Do all 5 consistently, and your first 100 subs will come. Not in years, in weeks if you stay consistent. If this helped you, smash that subscribe button right now. And drop a comment. Which tip are you trying first?